game. It's a rich thing.
From the A, you so lame, and no one here even mentions your name. It must be the way, it must be, cause you be poppin', heard you get it poppin'.
Hey y'all, so I'm back with another wig unboxing, and today we are working with Nadula on Amazon. So in this package we got some HD wig caps, some false nails, and a Nadula melting band. Here's the unit, body wave, FB 30 and 24 inches. We also got bye-bye notch tape to put on the wig, and we got an elastic band to put in the back of the wig to help fit it to your head. And this is what the unit looks like, y'all, straight out the box. It comes curled, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. Love that. So fab, so bomb. And this is the lace, y'all, a 7x5. So let's get into this install. So this is what the wig looked like when I put it on my head straight out the box, and I'm gonna go ahead and start by sectioning my lace and hot combing it super duper flat. So I'm taking my wax stick and my hot comb and getting this wig flat at the top. Y'all already know the drill. This is a step that I never ever skip to get my wig super duper flat, and it works every single time. Like, my wigs be looking like literal scalp when I'm done with this step. So definitely get that hot comb and your wax stick and flatten out the top of that wig. And I did speed this up, but I always take my time on this part, y'all, because I just need my wig to be looking really flat and laid. Like, I just feel like that is what makes the install look so natural and good to me. So I definitely never rush through this part. So once I finish the first side, I'm just moving on to the next side and doing the same exact thing I did on the first side, taking my wax stick, hot combing, then parting out a new section, wax stick, hot comb, and repeat. Okay, so once I'm done flattening out the wig, I take my wax stick and my hot comb and kind of just push my wig back in the front and like mold it to look more natural, to make it look super sleek. And then I'm just playing with the curls right here, seeing if the curls are like still there, which they definitely were. So love that. And now I'm taking my razor and I'm just kind of like cutting off a little bit of this lace in the front. Even though this wig is already pre-cut, you could definitely leave it the way it is because it looks fine the way it is. But I wanted to create a more realistic looking hairline, so I'm just cutting a widow's peak on my wig. I'm just really doing this like by eye, what looks good, and kind of just doing it till it's a shape that I like. So do or do not skip this step, it's up to you, but I just do this to create a hairline that looks a little bit more natural. And now I'm taking my Even Wonder lace bond and spraying this on my hairline. And I'm using this to glue my wig down. Yeah, y'all know I use lace spray. I don't really use lace glue often at all. I rarely ever use lace glue unless I'm like going on vacation or something. But yeah, and I've been hearing like a lot of news about the Even products lately. And I don't know what's that about. Like, And y'all, it's honestly like the more and more I toy with these wigs, like the better I get. Like, this looks so good. It looks so natural to me, like seriously. Like, y'all see it. Y'all see how natural this looks? So far. I don't know if I missed that conversation, but I definitely still use Even. Let me know in the comments if I need to switch my brand or something, because Got to Be Glued was canceled. Now y'all trying to cancel Even. Like, what am I supposed to use? All right, so once I put that Even Water lace bond on and press my lace in and let that dry a little bit, I'm taking my Fantasia holding spray and I spray that on my lace to help melt it even further, and then I put my band on and let that sit. And while I have my band on sitting, I'm just kind of layering the front of this hair a little bit, just to give it a more natural look. I just cut off just a little bit in the front, and then I'm recurling some of these front pieces where they might have fell, because sometimes in between my unboxings and me actually installing the units, my curls do fall when I put them back in the box, or like when I'm just messing around with them, because I can be rough sometimes, or like sometimes I don't package it up as nicely and gently as I should, so the curls fall. So I'm just fixing the curls in the front with my curling barrel, and yeah, y'all, this is what it's giving. That curling barrel works so good. I'm so glad I bought it. Like, ever since I bought it, I be curling all my wigs now. Like, I love that thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, curling away from my face. And look how bomb those curls look. Like, that is so bomb. So bomb. And then I'm taking some holding spray and spraying that on my wig. And to be honest, y'all, I bought that holding spray because that's the one I see in the store, but I really don't think that holding spray works very well at all. So if y'all have any recommendations for a holding spray that I can use, please let me know in the comments what holding spray that y'all use. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Like, it's really giving. The lace is really giving scalp. Like, I don't know. That's just what I think. Like, it's literally giving scalp. Okay, period. What's it giving? What y'all think? Okay, I feel like it's giving scalp. And boom, y'all, this is how the hair turned out. Like, look how fire this is. Look at the lace. That's literally scalp. I melted this wig so good, y'all. For this to be an Amazon wig, look how good I melted that. I didn't do no plucking, like no bleaching. I melted that so good, y'all. That looks like, that literally looks so freaking good. I could not stop looking at my lace and my hairline. I'm like, wow, that really eats down. I'm looking at it again, like, that is melted, honey. Like, I could fool anybody and say this is my real hair and they will believe me. So y'all, this is the Nadula Bye Bye Not School Pre Everything wig. This is the Balayage brown body wave, and this is the ombre wig in 24 inches body wave. So definitely, y'all, click that link down below, shop my Amazon storefront for this wig from Nadula, and I'll see you on my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.